As you can see, these are bookmarked notes that have been entered, and they are represented by the vertical yellow bars. They are color-coded to the video the note applies to. The first several are related to the orange video. This one is related to the green video. Then these are related to the orange video again, and then the yellow. If you click on a note, the timeline will jump to a few seconds before that note. If we play back, it jumps to that point in the timeline, and that particular note is highlighted. I'm going to pause the playback and return to the two-wide video display. Another thing to note, in this area it shows the beginning date and time of the video series, and over on the right-hand side it shows the ending date and time. As I stated earlier, you can turn off and on the annotations and the annotation fly-ins. When you create a view, select Save as a New View. Let's say, for example, you want to send this case to somebody, but you don't want them to see the first two videos in the case. Click on the yellow and blue bars on the timeline, and click on the filter icon. Only the selected videos remain. Note that the border colors will change because orange always represents the first bar on the timeline, green always represents the second bar, and so on. Select the View drop-down. Save as a new view. Give it a name. There is also the option to lock the view. If it's locked, the recipient can't change anything on the view. If we don't lock it, once the recipient receives the view, they are able to make changes to the settings. Then select Save New View. Once you have created a new view, go back to View, select Open, and it will show you available views. You can now select the view you want to share. Select Share View. Enter the email address of the recipient and click Share. It will send the recipient an email with a link to this particular view. If the user does not currently have a BWC Analytics account, they will need to enter their name and email address to create an account and use the view you have sent. They can use the free account option and will not need to enter credit card information. I'm going to return to the original case, and the last thing we are going to show you are the controls that display when you hover over a video. If you want to isolate audio on a video or videos, you can click on the speaker icon in order to mute individual videos. This is very helpful if you want to determine which video is producing the audio stream you are currently interested in. This icon will change the display to full screen for a single video. This icon reverts it back to the previous display. This is the icon that allows you to enter a bookmarked note. The note that is entered will automatically be attached to the current point in time of the video you are on. These last two icons are nudge controls. The video timestamps are not always accurate. These icons allow you to nudge a video forward or backward in time to match the other videos. This is done by finding visual or audio cues in videos that you can use to synchronize the videos using the nudge tools. There is a separate video to describe and demonstrate the use of the nudge tools. That describes the basic usage of the BWC Analytics website. There are other videos on our YouTube channel that show different tips and tricks for using the software.